Just a short video. I'm a little downtrodden. The videos that I had on my Facebook, I don't know what happened, but they're not on my phone, and unfortunately I can't download them off of Facebook. The reason why I'm a little downtrodden is because these here I took from slicing tomatoes that I had bought from the store. And I had rooted them, and I had them in Dixie cups for months. And they had grown so tall that the root system under here is probably a good 2 feet. And, well, rather than feel badly about it, this is as far as I've gotten. A lot of the things that I rooted from seed and showed you how to do all that, well, I lost that too. The whole project with this is it's my elephant ears in canna, and I'm going to try to grow it in the house. Hang on just a sec. Okay, we missed a couple failures, which probably makes me happier, but I took some bell pepper that my mother had grown, and I soaked the seeds and everything, and I'm waiting for them to come up in here. I do have a purple, I'm not too quite sure what it is, but it's kind of pretty, and it's hot, that I'm rooting right now. I'll show you how I soak the seeds. But anyway, all of these I started just from little tiny plants, and I just kept them under lights until I could put them into a container. I'm not too sure about these. I'm hoping it doesn't mold. And then this little fella here was given to me for free, and he was sick, but I didn't want to give up on him. So I've been babying him along for months. I think I got him in July. But this one, I wish you would have saw this beauty when it was tiny, tiny like those other ones. So I'm really excited about this. One more thing to show you. And I did mention on this that this is a mess, but I brought in a lot of starts from my impatiens outside. There's salmon and purple and burgundy. And they look terrible. I know they do. But believe it or not, they're doing well, because look, we got roots already going. So what we're going to do is put this in a pot together and put it up and try to bring in a little bit of beauty into the house for winter time. Now I will say that the lights can be irritating if you are in here all the time, but I'm not. So it's a nice night light actually for me at night. I run them at night. All my windows are covered. Long story, don't want to get into it. So I can't see very well at nighttime in here, and it saves me some energy because these lights actually don't take much power. I've not noticed anything on my electric bill. So we could talk about the lights at another time. I've done other videos on that. But for right now, I just wanted to catch you up to date and try to keep you up to date. And please, if you'd like to do something like this and maybe you think that you don't think you could do it, I can help you do it. It's so easy. And I would just love to have a little partner in crime when it comes to growing our own food. And believe it or not, I want to take on a zucchini and imagine how big that is. So, not this year, but we shall see. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to try to get this up as soon as possible.